So, may event tayo ngayon. Wedding. Ayan. So, basic class yung sound pero may dalawang monitor speaker to. Ayan. So, let's go!
Okay, una sa tanan, again, thank you for everyone. I just wanted to let everyone know na tanan kamo, tanan people nag-invite namon dere has a special place in our hearts. And that's why we've only chosen a very few people to attend to our wedding. And, I mean, kung special kami sa heart nila, they will make a way to go here and celebrate our wedding. So thank you so much, everyone.
Okay kayo, Toy. Alright.
Sayaw! Sayaw! Ay! Galing! Galing! Grabe! Mga budots!
So, pack up na tayo. Ayan. So, Tapos na yung event. Alright. Pare, yun na lang yung kulang. Ito. Alright. Alright guys, so ayan na nga, pack up na natin. So hindi ko na to ibaba sa bahay. Bale, ang gagawin ko is ganyan lang. Kasi may event pa tayo bukas. So same setup pa rin. So dyan lang yan. Ready na tayo for event tomorrow, mga around 7 AM. Alright. Ayan guys, so sobrang kapal ng fogs dito. Halos wala na kaming makita. So I hope na medyo clear yung daan. Alright, so let's